Hi. This is a woman. The woman is holding a Canadian flag. The woman is she's holding the Canadian flag with her hands. This is the Canadian flag. I am from Canada. I am Canadian. This woman is also Canadian. I can't see the front of the woman. I can only see the back of the woman. I can't see the front. I can see the back of the woman. This is the woman's back. She is standing beside this lake. This is a lake. Lake. She is standing beside the lake, looking at the mountains. This is a mountain. This is also a mountain. And this is another mountain. She is looking at the mountains. The woman is wearing a hat on her head. This is my head. The woman is wearing a hat on her head. The woman has long hair. This is the woman's hair, and it is long, long. The design on this shirt is called plaid. Plaid. This is a red and black plaid shirt. The Canadian flag has 2 red stripes. 1 red stripe, 2 red stripes. And in the middle of the stripes is the maple leaf. This is a maple leaf. And the maple leaf is also red. Down at the bottom of the picture, not the top, but at the bottom of the picture, you can see these rocks. Rocks. The rocks are under the water. The lake is filled with water, and these rocks are under the water. The water in this lake looks green. It looks green. You can see the reflection of the mountains in the water. This is a reflection. Here you can see the reflection of the mountains in the water. This mountain has snow. Snow. The snow is white. If there's snow on the mountain, it's cold. You only get snow when it's cold.